tutorials. And so first of all, I need a basic safe drawing the circle. Okay, basic circle. Okay, I just put it again. Please, this one just a minute. Must have out of picture. Down, right. Oh, this is why not? Okay. So make it circle first. First make a circle. And the circle, this is the eyes line. Make the eyes line. This is a basic line. Okay, create first basic line. Circle, eyes line. Okay. So if your base is nicely, if you do the base and then make it base the base is very geometrical line, curve, circle, straight line like this. For see, this is no any extra curve line or extra ups and down. Okay, this is a very basic. When I creating this basic line with the red shapes, okay, with the red color, so you can understand. Okay, this is a basic. Your basic when done properly. I just want two things are confirmed. This is eyes line, so I can make the eyes. This is the eyes area. Okay, this is eyes area. This is nose. Very little give me expression. That's it. This is the that much you create the basic. Eyes, nose, and ear the same position, like this. Yeah, it's a little bit light, right? I do clear with the pencil. This is a basic. Yeah, this is a basic. So, is mostly the geometrical shapes, circle, straight. Okay, very basic shapes. Just this make it, at that line you can use lots of line, not single line. Try to make the lots of line again and again, and very lightly, not pressure your pencil, very lightly. How to practice, wild animals, birds, human. So, and it take time, very less time I take for that. Just 5 minutes, one drawing finish. Okay. Very nice, perfect. This line, yeah. Okay. When you do the base, that time the base line very light and that time straight. After that, whatever curve and required, that is second time we repeat. Yeah. First time just very lightly, pencil just curve very lightly. Okay. Let's okay, so just now starts from the eyes actually. Okay, so after this next take 2 minutes, I just so that is start from the always after the when you start the final tone, you can use in eyes. That much done already also. Yeah. Okay, let's start now. So we'll start from the eyes. Okay. So on one more thing, I'm not doing any line like this one line I don't do like this. Always whatever I like do, I like this. 2-3 times. I make same line. Suppose to I make this line one time, and this line, same line is same, but I make it slowly. So this is the force and the live. So if you make the one line like this is the dead line. It will do like this. Same line, but it's a live, it's a force. So it's looking good. All great artists, master artists are using this process. So I'm also same line, but I'm using more again and again. Okay, so like this. See, I make the one oval. I can make oval like this one time, but I not do this. I make it like this slowly. So I can thought I imagine something. Okay, when I do what the next line. So that's why in between time I make it again and again like this. And I thought what I do the next line, what I do the next line. So that's why using the again and again like this. Okay. So this times I make little details. Okay. Everything. See, this is straight line, but originally it's not straight. It's little oval. But this, when I do the second time final drawing, that time I make it detail. But first time it is straight only, because first base only few basic shapes I'm using: circle, oval, curve, straight. This four things: circle, oval, straight line and curve line. This four try to apply for first when using the first basic tone. Okay, so I'm not changing anything. See, it's all drawing. I just maintain the same before the red line, but little bit of we are modify. Just like it's a feather, it's like a hair and fur. So how to you can create little realistic hair and fur. Okay. Like this. You're using this kind of always this kind of eraser sharpener, so it will help you a lot to create the, if you have not have charcoal dust, you can use a pencil also. Pencil, what I want to say. So you take your this kind of blades or sharpener. So for creating the light and shades, you just go. You take pencil that much and do like this. Fuse graphite. So you can sharp your pencil as well. You apply your graphite for your light and shade.
Are you all my personal dreams?
I can use my charcoal dust, but you all of you not have charcoal dust, so that's why I make plan. So if I do like this, so I can make my pencil also very nicely sharp, and I need the charcoal dust also. This is dark. Okay. So you sharp your pencil as well, you can create some dust like this. So and then use the tissue. Tissue also fold like this like this, not random, okay, like this. So you can take this parts, okay. So I just I want to make light and sets, so I just make it few area like this.
Are you all my personal dreams?
If you want to make the dramatic light and sets, okay, so I want to make dramatic light and sets over here. So when you put like this, then only you can use the rubber and light and sets. I know. So I just make it like this random. Few area I'm not putting that much. This is few area I'm not putting that much color. So now the next step is that you just take your rubber. Yeah. It's clear. Okay. And just I just make it a few areas. What is our requirement area? Okay. Actually, I want to create the dramatic light. Then it looks more creative.
Everything you know is in your mind.
So I'm using the eraser like a pencil. This time you are making very concentrate. I make it here. Okay, so
Are you all my personal dreams?
just make it. Hello. Hi Atish, how are you? Tell me, beta. Yeah, sure. You can you send the exam form, right? I just check it out. Yeah. You send in WhatsApp, right? Okay, I check it out. Okay, thank you. Bye. Yeah. Bye, beta. Hello. You tell me. Yeah, it is. I just take it first. It is the 270 rupees is the exam fee. But I first see the form. Okay, if anything is needs, the photos and all. Okay, so it is and the form. This is the admission fees. Exam fee is 270 rupees. Okay, 70. Okay, beta. Okay, first I confirm. I see. I watch your first your exam from. If everything is okay, fill up. Then you can send the
Everything you know is in your
fees.
mind.
Okay, not now. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Anything else, Peter? Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye. So now I just make it little details. So after the first one done, we just make it okay, the settings.
Are you all my personal dreams?
You can make some little settings area. So when you are creating this, the second tone, the first tone I draw and second tone I put the color, this dust, and now the third tone, the finishing tone. The finishing tone times you try to make it everything is clear and using the dark pencil. Okay, this. If you make it very slow and nicely, okay, then this looks good.
Are you all my
Slowly.
personal dreams? Everything you know
You
is in your
make
mind.
some more strokes like this. Make strokes slowly, few lighten strokes.
Are you all my personal dreams?
After that, so I just make the second tone. Here already the first tone I put the with the shadow, but I making little giving the third tone, little dogs to create the texture of skin, because doggy this part is very not that much hair and fur. Here is lots of hair and fur. So this area how to make it, I just make small strokes over here. make some strokes just randomly here and there. So it looks like a more here and far. I just mixed dark tone is the finishing tone, the third tone. First tone is a drawing, second tone I make the first tone drawing and the base color with the dust or pencil graphite. Second tone you make it more dark and finishing, and third tone is the final touch. So I put the first third tone for the final touch.
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
So light specialists come from here, this area.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Like it's more depth. Small strokes.
Are you all my personal dreams?
That makes more ones characters.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Sketching. Then I go to the color. just show the techniques how to I apply this texture of